Good morning, my fellow members, fellow farmers and upcoming farmers. So with me here today, I want to share with you our current morning breakfast together with the flock. So you can see here, this is silage from full corn. You can look, the maize are present. Pour it here. Then I have another bucket. Pour it there. So when it is almost full, I add, this is a mixture of sunflower and wheat straws. You can see how the machine chopped it into this smaller size. I will add the mixture to the silage, and make sure you wear a mask because these smaller particles will also enter your lungs through the breathing system. The dry matter got a lot of dust. That's where molasses comes in, just to remove the dust and to add taste on the feed. So here is my molasses. You can see this is a gorogoro. I have drilled some holes at the bottom. So next, you'll have to mix the feed thoroughly before adding some concentrates. And look how the mixture is. I'm adding to the mixture, you can see. And then you mix it. And your feeds will enjoy their breakfast very well. You can look at the mixture. This will make it unable for the sheep to differentiate or separate the dairy meal, the mixture of wheat straws and sunflower from the full corn silage, and this will facilitate them and make sure they eat all of these feeds.